Sorry, honey. I spilled coffee on the, and they took my whole check. What are the chances?
So we've got some smart, a Roku, Samsung. Yep, Samsung TV we're gonna be throwing in today. We get to play instead. Oh shoot! Today's episode, I'd like to dive into 2020 in review. Obviously, this was an unprecedented year for what a lot of people across the world faced. And it was an extremely difficult year for a lot of people. So I don't want this video to come across as anything but our attempt to show how grateful we are for all of our clients, the guys that work for us, our team. 2020 was balancing uncertainty, and we just didn't always have the answer regarding what was next. That's extremely hard to run a business that way. But luckily we are surrounded by an incredible community. That goes for the whole van life and bus life community itself, not just right around us in Prince Albert. The amazing things that we saw coming out of COVID, obviously we're not done yet, but the support of small businesses and communities grouping together to figure this shit out has been incredible. Good boy. Is that a good smile?
Crawling under is easy, it's the getting out that's hard. Yeah.
Hey Dragons, a little upset we couldn't do the van tour in person this year, but we're calling this the Vandemic 2020. That is a look at our slapping... That's a look at the salmon bus. You guys, I'm absolutely losing my mind right now. A little bit spooked, maybe.
The ability to customize specific to you.
National TV.
We're calling this the Vandemic 2020. Come on into the van here. Oh, I hope you didn't see my Arlene Dickinson. Give me a second here. I'll show you a few more amenities. Investors? Possibly you.
We auditioned, we got a call back, and we found out in December that we were going to be airing on national television on Dragon's Den, season 15.
You guys do nice stuff. I mean, there's really cool interiors.
You do good work.
Thank you very much.
So what is next for Paved to Pines? a lot, hopefully. We've got an incredible lineup of builds. I think first on our list is going to be the shop expansion. We're gonna hopefully double our size and be able to rifle through that lineup a little bit quicker. What else? Having seen the devastation caused by this pandemic, we'd like to dedicate 2021 to building something for others. What do I mean by that? We have been dreaming up over the last couple of years a bus project that works with Salvation Army or the Lighthouse, which are two local companies in Saskatoon that help out the less fortunate. So, what is our plan? I don't know yet. One of the things we think that would be incredible is if we could put together a bus that tours around Saskatoon and stops in the places that are most necessary for daily life. If you guys have ideas, please let us know. We're gonna keep it positive. We're excited for what 2021 has to bring. And I think it's gonna be a huge year for innovation, new projects, and hopefully grow our team a little bit. Hey guys, I'm Steven.
And I'm Mitch.
Thanks a lot for watching the show. It was a heck of an experience, and we're super excited about how it turned out.
Yeah, really excited for 2021. I'm sure we're all sick of 2020. Don't forget to follow along the journey. Follow us on Instagram here, and check out our YouTube channel at Paved To Pines as well.
Merry Christmas, you guys.
Merry Christmas. Cheers.